Hello everyone, welcome to ITNetClub. Sometimes you want to cut off your users' access to the internet, but you don't want that person's access to local services to be cut off. In fact, you want to create some kind of intranet. As you can see, this PC has access to the internet. It is very easy to cut off this user's access to the internet. Just create a role in the Mikrotik firewall. You must enter the IP address of the system that you want to block to source address in filter role, and also choose drop in action. As you can see, the access was cut off, but to local services is still available. Thank you to follow us. Please don't forget subscribe and like.